Oh my
Like
God.
we've seen the coach Damon, we've seen the field owner Damon, we've seen all that. What are we actually gonna see on the field? It's been a minute since we actually seen you play. Like, what are we gonna see you back on the field, my guy?
I
What's
don't
going
know.
on?
Isabella asked me that last weekend on the way to the field. She said, Dad, when are you going to play again? I said, I don't know. When I get the bug. And then this was last Sunday. Sunday they were on the field and everything was clicking. Everybody was having a good time. Everybody was shooting up. And I was like, yo, give me that gun. That's the thing is like, I just go out and I'll be out there without shoes, with a pod in my pocket, one hopper, and just, I'll run some points and
Gullet,
have some
gullet,
fun.
gullet thing.
But playing, I don't know. Me playing tournament ball, that came about because of Laura. That was the only reason I went into tournament play was because Laura was so excited and so involved in it. And